Hey, what up, G-Fan? Your boy is back with another video. And today, your boy is about to provide you guys with 12 amazing fragrances for beginners. And these fragrances are sexy, they're seductive, and they're compliment freaking puller with good performance. And boys, we're starting right now. So for the first fragrance on this list, boys, we're gonna go right into the house of Argos, and we have here is Dene. All right, now this fragrance right here is straight up fantastic. It is fresh, it is citrus, it is spicy, it is sexy, and it is straight up seductive for those individuals who love that type of vibe. The performance of this fragrance is just straight up top notch. It's gonna last you through the day and even through the night to have you smell absolutely fan-freaking-tastic. So when we talk about niche fragrances from the house of Argo, this fragrance is one of the fragrances from the house that is easy to like and easy to pull off and is very mass appealing. So check this bad boy out if you're looking to smell absolutely amazing. So now we're jumping into the next fragrance on this list, boys, and this is going to be from the house of Viktor and Rolf, and we have here is Spice Bomb Infrared EDT. Now this fragrance is straight up fantastic. It is fruity, it is sweet, it is warm, it is spicy, it is sexy, and it's absolutely cozy and inviting. And boys, this fragrance is just freaking good. But when we talk about the house of Viktor and Rolf, another fragrance that comes to mind will be Spice Bomb Extreme, and that fragrance is also fantastic. But if I have to recommend only one, I'll tell you to check out this beast of a fragrance because it's really freaking good. So now we're jumping into the next fragrance on this list, and we have here is Mustache EDP. Now this fragrance is a vanilla, patchouli, amber type of a fragrance that is blended to perfection. And as a bonus, this fragrance is a nice alternative to a very expensive fragrance from the house of YSL, and that is YSL Tuxedo. All right, and that DNA is freaking good. It is to die for. It is a must-own type of a DNA for every man who's looking to smell amazing. So boys, if you're trying to save some money and smell absolutely amazing, check this beast of a fragrance out, and I'm telling you, you're not gonna be disappointed. So now we're jumping into the next fragrance on this list, boys, and we have here is Azuro, the Most Wanted Perfume. All right, sweet, spicy, woody, straight up sexy, seductive freaking vibe for those individuals who's looking for fragrance for date night situation. And normally when I recommend this fragrance, I always tell everybody, if you want to be the most wanted man in the freaking world, put this bad boy on and let it work its magic, because the fragrance is that good. So check this beast of a fragrance out if you're looking to smell amazing for date night situations. So now we're jumping into the next fragrance, and this is gonna be from the house of Prada, and we have here is Prada Luna Rosa Ocean. All right, now this fragrance right here is a nice, fresh, aquatic, citrus type of a fragrance that smells amazing with a bit of a sweeter vibe that smells fantastic. The fragrance is very versatile, can pretty much be worn in spring, summer, winter, and fall to smell absolutely fantastic. And if you want to bring this fragrance for a date night, check it off your list. If you want to bring this fragrance during club night situation, check it off your list, because the fragrance is very versatile and smells amazing, and it's also mass appealing and easy to like and easy to pull compliments. Moving on to the next fragrance, and we have here is Versace Eros EDP. Fresh, sweet, fruity, sexy freaking vibes. All right, this fragrance is perfect for those individuals who love to party. All right, you're an individual who love that playful type of a fragrance DNA to elevate your game. All right, now this fragrance is very popular when we're talking about the fragrance industry, and it's for good reason, because the fragrance works. It pulls compliment. The ladies love this DNA, and like I mentioned previously, it is perfect for those club night situations. So boys, check this fragrance out if you're looking for a beast performer to draw some attention during those club nights. So now we're jumping into the next fragrance on this list, boys, and we have here is Churro Tobacco Vanille from the house of Pandora Scents. All right, now if you guys are familiar with Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille, this is pretty much a clone to that fragrance. That vanilla, that tobacco, that nice, spicy, creamy type of a vibe is what this fragrance is going to bring to the table. All right, so if you're looking to save some money and you love that DNA from Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille, then this fragrance, I'm telling you, boys, is a good alternative with good performance all around for the fall and winter time situation. So make sure you check this clone beast right here to smell amazing. So now we're jumping into the next fragrance on this list, boys, and this is Missoni Wave EDT. Fresh, aromatic, citrus, sexy, fresh vibe, and it's also affordable to smell amazing. Now this fragrance takes the DNA of Alarm Home Sport from the house of Chanel and also Versace Perfume from the house of Versace. You put them together and you got this affordable beast of a fragrance getting you compliments. compliments. So if you're looking for a nice, affordable, fresh fragrance that smells absolutely fantastic and you love that fresh, aquatic, citrus type of a vibe, then check this beast of a fragrance because it's affordable and it's good to get compliments. So now we enter the house of YSL, and we have here is YSL Y Lit Perfume. When we talk about the YSL line, you have the YSL Y EDP, you have YSL Elixir, you have myself. You have a lot of new fragrances that are being released now from the YSL line. But when I talk about the best, I feel this fragrance is the one to have. It is sweet, it is spicy, it is sexy, and it's just easy to enjoy and easy to wear. And as a bonus to me, I think out of all the Y line, this has the better performance, all right? So check this beast of a fragrance, and I'm telling you, boys, you're not going to be disappointed. So now we're jumping into the next fragrance on this list, boys, and we have here is Wasabi Hawas for him. Now, this fragrance is a nice, fresh, aquatic, citrus, fruity type of a fragrance that smells fantastic, all right? Now, for a fresh fragrance, this fragrance projects like a freaking monster. You will be noticed wearing this bad boy, and those compliments are gonna be stacking up. And also, this fragrance is perfect for the spring and summertime situation. And also, as a bonus, it is affordable. $30 to $40, you'll be smelling amazing while filling up the entire freaking room. So make sure you check this beast of a fragrance out. So now we're gonna go into the house of Jean Paul Gaultier, and we have here is Jean Paul Gaultier Le Mans Elixir. All right. Now, when we talk about Jean Paul Gaultier, you have Le Mans Le Parfum, Le Ball Le Parfum. You have pretty much a lot of fragrances that smells absolutely amazing from the house of Jean Paul Gaultier. But this time, I'm going to provide you guys with a nice, sweet fragrance that smells fantastic. This is a 2023 release, and it smells amazing. All right. It is sweet. It is vanilla, it is honey, it is tobacco, it is tonka, it is absolutely sexy, seductive freaking vibes. So if you love that sweet fragrance with a nice, sexy, and seductive vibe from the house of Jean Paul Gaultier, check this beast of a fragrance and it's gonna satisfy you. So now we're down to our last fragrance on this list, and we have here is Aqua di Gio Perfume. Now, this fragrance right here is a fragrance that should be for anybody who's not looking to build a crazy collection. As a beginner, you may want maybe 1 or 2 fragrances in your collection, but this fragrance right here pretty much does it all. It is a fresh, aromatic type of a fragrance that it has good performance, good longevity, and is very, very versatile. Spring, summer, winter, and fall, date night, club night, the office, whatever you need it for, this fragrance is going to do it all. And it's a very masculine fragrance DNA that smells amazing. If you guys are looking for 10 amazing date night fragrances to make an impression on that beautiful lady, then boys, check this video right here as I provide you with those 10 fragrances. See you on the next video.